Good evening, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself. We shall just wait for 2 minutes so that the more students can join us. Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Ajish, Prisha, Yashashwini, Utkarsh, Rajnandini, Tejas, Melanie. Am I audible? Do let me know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why I'm not able to hear you? Just wait a minute there.
Blah blah blah. Ma'am, am I audible?
Audible to me now. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Audible.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. Very good.
Ma'am.
Settle down yourself here, everyone. Settle down yourself. Quickly.
Ma'am, you are
Why?
not visible.
I'm not visible. Is the screen black? Pages?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, please exit and rejoin pages. Uh,
No,
other
ma'am.
than
It is
pages.
visible.
Okay, Prisha, you can see me?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, okay. That means they just had some network issue. Okay, everyone. So let's start the class. Why so few students today? Today is not any festival. Okay, I have only Ajish, Prisha, Yashashwini, Utkarsh, Nandini, Tejas, and Melanie. Mognish is always late for me. Mognish, yes, Mognish is always late for the class. Prajwal is also late. Falak is also late. Yasha, so many absent today. Okay, let's see, dear. Yesterday, we learned how to calculate the cubes. So, did you practice, everyone? Tell me. Did you practice? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I was doing assignment.
You were doing assignment. Assignment was related with that only square roots and cube roots. So, did you practice? Yes? Okay. So, now today we will be learning cube roots and that too using the short trick within seconds. Short tricks within seconds you can find the cube roots. It is very easy. It is easier than the cubes also. this cube roots, it is easier than the cubes also. And let us see how. Let me take any number. I shall take 274.
Ma'am,
Yes? Yes, Utkarsh?
ma'am, how do we find the cube by using the trick?
Yesterday I taught you, beta. Were you not there in the class yesterday?
Yes, ma'am, I was there.
So that was the trick, the 4 steps that I taught you. Like this. Remember, Utkarsh?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Now I remember it.
Okay, beta. And now you can turn off your mic, dear. And now we are going to learn cube roots today. For cube roots, 2 things you have to keep in your mind. First thing, you should be aware about the cubes of 1 to 10. Okay, cubes of 1 to 10. Like 8 ka cube, 2 ka cube is 8, 3 ka 27, 4 ka 64, 5 125, 6 216, 7 243, 8 512, 9 729, and 10 is 1000. So first thing you have to keep in mind cubes of 1 to 10, right? And the second thing, when we learn square roots, we learn that this formula, this symbol, it is for the square roots, right? We learn this symbol is for the square roots. If we write 3 here in between, if we write 3 here in between, then this symbol becomes of the cube root. Okay, always to remember. If you write 3 here in the between, then this symbol, it becomes the cube roots. So sometimes in the question is direct, that find the cube root of the given number. Sometimes only this symbol you will see. And you will get confused that, oh, this symbol is for the square root. But the square root symbol is either without the number or with the number 2. If the symbol is without the number or it is written 2 inside it, so it is square root. If it's written 3, then it's the cube root. So don't get confused in the examination. Okay. Now, let me take a new
Ma'am.
number. Yes.
Ma'am, in square roots in the gap, if only 2 is there means that's square, right?
Yes. And if no number is given, then also it is a square root. Okay. Now suppose yes.
ऐसे क्यूब रूट में भी 3 नहीं है तो
क्यूब रूट में 3 नहीं है तो वो स्क्वायर रूट है. अगर सिंबल में कुछ नहीं गिवन है, कोई नंबर नहीं गिवन है, तो स्क्वायर रूट है. लेकिन अगर नंबर इट्स गिवन अजीश, देन इट्स either 2 or 3. If it's 2, then square root. If it's 3, then cube root. Okay. And if no number, then consider that to be the square root. Now, if you have the symbol with 3 written inside it and 2744 is written, that means you have to find what? You have to find the cube root. Now, how to find the cube root? Using the short trick. And it's very easy. It is much similar to square roots, finding square roots, but finding cube root is easier than finding square root because we have very less steps in this. First step, see which one is the last digit. So last digit is what? Last digit is 4. Now check, where do we get 4? So I can get 4 here in 64, right? So my last digit would be 4. My answer's last digit would be 4. Now you have to cut 2 digits. The digit at the 10th place, the digit at the 100th place. You have to cut 2 digits. And then whichever digit is left, if one digit left, then take one. If two, however, how many digits are left? See that it comes between which two cubes. So this 2 is left here. 2 comes between cube of 1 and 2. That is 8. So I will write 1 ka cube, 2 ka cube. 1 is the smaller number. So I will write here 1. 14 is my answer. 14 will be my answer. Any doubts? Raise your hand. I shall explain this again. Ajish, Yashashwini, Utkarsh. Okay, let me explain this again, dear. I have question. Find the cube root of 2744, right? 2744. First step, see the last digit. Last digit is 4. Now check which cube has 4 at the end. So I can see that 64 has 4 at the end. 64 is the cube of what? 4. That means my last digit would be 4. My last digit is 4. Now you have to cut 2 digits. That is digit at the 10th place, digit at the 100th place. Now I am left with 2. Check that this 2 comes between which 2 cubes. So 2 comes between 1 ka cube, 1 and 2 ka cube 8. 2 is between 1 and 8. So you will take 1 ka cube and 2 ka cube. Always take the smaller number. So 1 is smaller than 2. I will take the smaller number 1. 14 will be my answer. Now tell me, any doubts? Yes. Falak, you joined late. You will have doubts. You
Ma'am,
will have. Yes, Utkarsh.
how did 1's cube and 2's cube came over here?
Beta, this is 2, right? Whatever digit is left, you have to see that the remaining digits comes between which 2 cubes. So 2 comes between 1 and 8. Because 2 comes between 1 and 8, so 1 is the cube of 1, 8 is the cube of 2. So I will take 1 ka cube and 2 ka cube. Got it, Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ajish?
ma'am, I didn't understand how did 1 came.
Beta, this 2 is between which number? Tell me. 2 is between which number?
1 and 8.
1 and 8. So 1 is the cube of what?
1,
And 8 is the cube of what?
2.
So 1 ka cube and 2 ka cube. Got it?
Ma'am, is it like this? Is it like the square
Ajish,
one?
Ajish, turn off your mic. Yes, Nandani.
Ma'am, is it like the square one?
Yes, it is like the square one. Just like you calculated the square root, same way the cube root, but it is easier, right? It is easier because in square root we had 2 digits, like it could be either 4 or 8, but here we have only 1 digit.
Yes, ma'am.
Final digit is only 1. That last digit is what you can find from the cube, and then just take 1 and 2, whatever is the smaller digit, that will be your answer. Yes, Ajish, you again raised your hand.
Ma'am, if 3 digits are there means
3 digits are there, that means
मैम ऐसे 3 digits है तो 2 नंबर कट नहीं कर सकते हैं ना.
if it is 3 digit beta, so the cube is only up to 3 digit, it is up to 729. And I have asked you to learn up to 729, right? 10 say it becomes 4 digit. So even if it is the cube of 11, you will have 4 digit. Okay, Ajish?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else, beta? Raise your hand. Utkarsh, why are you raising your hand? I think your doubt has been cleared. Anyone else? You can raise your hand there. No one? Okay.
Ma'am,
If,
excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Prisha. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Prisha.
not understand, ma'am. I not understand, ma'am.
Which step did you not understand, Prisha? Turn on your camera and ask me.
Ma'am, my camera is not open.
Beta, can you please turn on your camera first, beta? Prisha.
Okay.
And now ask me what did you not understand? Which step?
Ma'am, you have you in 74. Why are you why
Prisha.
are you not taking, ma'am, 74?
Why I'm taking why I'm cutting the 74? That's the short trick, Prisha. You have to cut the digit at the tens place and hundred place.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Prisha? Okay, beta. If okay, then answer one question for me. You can solve yourself and see.
Ma'am, what is it, ma'am, in the... Okay.
You have to find the cube root of 17576. Once try yourself. Try one question yourself. And then it will be more clear, dear. Palak, Tejas, and Prajwal. Only 3 correct answers. Why? This was easy, dear. This was easy.
This was easy. Ma'am, you only gave 30 seconds.
So 30 seconds is enough for this.
Enough for this.
10 seconds are
10
enough.
seconds are enough.
Turn off your mic.
Turn off your mic, Utkarsh.
1756. At the end I have what? At the end I have 6. If at the end I have 6, then when I learn the cubes, I know that last digit would be 6. Why last digit 6? Because 6 is at the end of 6 ka cube, 216. So last digit would be 6.
Excuse me, ma'am, you are glitching.
Palak, please exit and rejoin. You have to cut 2 digits. That is the tens place and the 100 place. Now, whichever digit is left, like it's 17 is left, see that 17 comes between which two cubes? So, 2 ka cube is 8, 3 ka cube is 27. 17 comes between 2 ka cube and 3 ka cube. 17 comes between 2 ka cube and 3 ka cube. You will take a number. Yes? Please, everyone do let me know. Am I not clearly visible and audible? In the chat box, do let me know who can see me. Can you see me, everyone?
Ma'am, you are bleaching a little bit only, like for some seconds.
Okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second.
क्या यार नहीं यार
Is it okay now?
Ma'am, I can't see you. Your screen, my screen is
Ma'am, your
all
screen
black.
is black.
Ma'am, it's black.
Please do let me know in the chat box. Is the screen black or can you see me? Black, black. Ajish and Nandini. Only Ajish and Nandini black. Tejas black. Falak also black. And what about Prajwal, Bhargav, Prisha, Yashashwini? Black. Beta, for those whose screen is black, can you please exit and rejoin quickly? Let me check. Is it okay now? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay now.
Okay, beta. See, 17576 is there, right? 17576. First thing, last place is 6. So 6 ka cube has 216. That is 6 at the end. So 6 will be at the end. Now leave 2 digits. I'm left with what? I'm left with 17. 17 comes between which two cubes? So 17 comes between 8 ka cube and 20. 2 ka cube 8 and 3 ka cube 27. So 2 ka cube and 3 ka cube. Take the smaller number. That is 2. So 26 will be my answer. 26 is the answer. But most of you gave me the wrong answer. Okay, do one more question. One 185,193 ka cube, okay? Once try yourself and then I shall explain this also. One 185,193. Again, only 3 correct answer. Again, only Tejas, Falak and Nandini. Rest everyone wrong. And Bhargav and Yashashwini hasn't answered. Yes, Ajesh, what happened? You raised your hand.
Ma'am, I was going to tell that can you give 60 seconds?
No, beta, 60 seconds are too much for it. You can do this question in only 5 seconds, beta. Only 5 seconds. You just need to remember the cube of 1 to 10. That's it. Only the cube of 1 to 10. So if it's what? If it's 185,193, at the end I have 3. 3 comes in which cube? So 7 into 7 into 7 is 343. I know that my last digit is 7 because 7 ka cube is 343. At the end I have 3. Now you will cut 2 digits. You are left with 185, right? Do check 185 comes between which two numbers. So 185 is greater than 125, less than 216, right? So you can say that 185 is between the cube of 5 ka cube and 6 ka cube, because 5 ka cube is 125. 6 का cube is 260. So 185 is between these two cubes. Take the smaller one, 5. Option A. Who have doubt in this? Please do raise your hand here. Please do raise your hand who has doubt in this. If no one, then why aren't you answering properly? If no one, then you should answer properly. Oh, yes, Trisha.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding the.
Beta, first thing, you should know the cube of 1 to 10. Okay? If you know the cube of 1 to 10, beta, it is easy for you. I have to remember cube of 1 to 10. And in the last class also, I told you that cubes you must learn by heart till 10. Now, within 5 seconds, you will do it, beta. Last digit is 3. Where I can see 3 at the end? I can see 3 in 7 ka cube. So, my last digit is 7. Now, remove 2 digits. I'm left with 185. 185 comes between which two numbers of cubes? So 185 is between 125 and 216. That is 5 ka cube and 6 ka cube. Take the smaller digit, 5, 57. What else? What else you have doubt in? Anyone else? Yes, Yashashwini?
Ma'am, can you wait? I'm writing it.
Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for 30 seconds. Do please note it down. Do note it down. I hope you must have written there. Okay,
Done.
solve one. Then, okay, beta. Okay, solve one more. I'm giving you plenty of time this time. No poll. 42875 ka cube root. No one will turn on the mic and answer me. Answer in chat box, okay? This is just to see that is it about the time or you don't know the concept. Let me see. Okay, I got answer from Yashashwini, Nandani, Tejas, Prajwal. Utkarsh, Bhargav, Palak, Trisha, Ajish, got it. I'm left for the answer of Melanie, right? Melanie has not answered and rest everyone has answered. Melanie, beta, answer. Melanie answered, dear. Utkarsh, beta. Now see yourself. Most of you gave me answer within 30 seconds. Why you are answering wrong in the poll and everyone is giving me the correct answer except Nandini? Everyone gave me the correct answer. That's 35. Because At the end, I have what? I have 5. If at the end I have 5, my last digit is 5. Now cut this 2 digits. I'm left with 42. 42 is between which two cubes? So I know that 42 is between 3 ka cube, that is 27, 4 ka cube, that is 64. So I will take the smaller number, 35. 35 is my answer. Yes, Utkarsh?
More poll questions.
Yes, beta. We are doing more questions, beta. Four, five, six, 5, 3, 3.
Ma'am.
Yes. Do solve it in the poll. 4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3. Don't look at the timer, okay? Solve yourself. If you are not able to do it within 30 seconds, answer me after the poll ends in the chat box, okay? Palak, Tejas, Yashashwini, Ajish, Prajwal, Melanie, very good, beta. You have answered correctly. Bhargav also correct. Good. Prisha correct. Yes. Very good, dear.
Ma'am.
And yes, beta. Utkarsh.
Ma'am, actually I pressed D because of some mistake. It could be something else, but my answer was D. I have done it.
Okay, Utkarsh. And it is that easy, beta. At the end, I have 3. So 3 is for which cube? So we have learned in the starting, right? That 3 is for 7. So at the end, you will have 7. Now you will cut 2 places. So 5 and 3 cut. You are left with 456. This 456 becomes between cube of what? Cube of 7 ka cube, that is 343, and 8 ka cube, that is 512. You will take the smaller digit. So 77 is your answer. Any doubts? Anyone? Please raise your hand and then I will move further. Anyone? Any doubts? No one.
Ma'am, can you wait? I'm writing.
Yes, beta. You may note it down. Take the screenshot, dear. Yes, Ashwini.
Just
Take the
2 minutes.
screenshot. 2 minutes. Yes,
Yes,
Ashwini.
ma'am.
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes are very much for the Sainik school examination. 2 minutes are very much, dear. 10 seconds. Take the screenshot, beta. 10 seconds.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. You have a question like this. Here you go. Answer me. 1.331 का answer. Let me see who gives me the correct answer. Bhargav, Falak, Utkarsh, and Melanie. Only 4 correct answers. Why? Okay, let's learn here. Yes, Tejas. Tejas, turn on your mic.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do these questions, but as I was raising my hand, accidentally I pressed option A. But I
Okay,
was not
no issues,
supposed to do
beta.
that.
Okay, beta, what's your answer then?
Ma'am, I don't know that how to calculate this. That's why.
Okay, beta. And Utkarsh, beta, you have also
Beta,
raised
you
your
have
hand.
also raised your hand.
Ma'am, I have done this question in my mind and but not writing.
Very good.
Very good.
If you have done it in your mind, very good, dear. Okay, see. Okay, let's learn, dear. It's 1.331. And I have taught you whenever you have decimal, what you should do. First thing, remove the point. So I shall remove this point. As soon as I will remove this point, I will get 3 zeros in the denominator. 3 zeros in the denominator. 1, 2, 3 because 3 digits after the point. Now calculate the cube root. So I know that 1000 ka cube root is 10 because I have learned it. 10 ka cube is 1000. And for this 1331, if you know, then you know 11 because up to 20 we'll learn. But if you don't know, suppose if you don't know, you have learned only up to 10. So last digit is 1. My last digit will be 1 because 1 ka cube is 1. 2 digits cut. I'm left with 1. 1 comes between which two cubes? So 1 ka cube 1 and 2 ka cube 8. I shall take the smaller number, that is 1. So 11 would be my answer. 11 upon 10. Now convert this 11 upon 10 into what? Into decimal. So 11 by 10, 1 0. Put point before one digit. 1.1 is your answer. 1.1 is your answer. Okay? Tell me. Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the last step.
Ma'am, I also didn't that. I understand.
Beta, 1331 ka cube, you know how to calculate. Cube root you have learned to calculate. So 1331 ka cube root you will calculate, you will get 11. Like you calculate, same way, nothing else. You will get 11. And 1000 ka we know, we have learned that 1000 is the cube of what? 10. So 11 upon 10. 11 upon 10 is equal to 1.1 because I have 1 zeros in the denominator. So we have learned in the decimal chapter that 10 means point before one digit. So put point before one digit. 11 ke pehle, 1 ke pehle point. So it will become 1.1. Did you get it now, Ajish? Yes, Ashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ajish, what are you not getting? Do let me know. Turn on your mic.
Ma'am, after 11 by 10.
Beta, 11 by 10 is 1.1. Haven't you attended the class for decimal, dear?
No, ma'am.
No. So, beta, if no, then you should watch the recording here. Do watch the recordings once. Because 11 by 10, when we have 1 0 in the denominator, so we put point before one digit. So that is why it is 11. So I will put point before one digit. It becomes 1.1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Rajneesh.
ma'am, your screen is black. Now it's good.
Okay,
That time,
Bhavnesh. Beta, whenever you feel the screen is black, please exit and rejoin. Okay? Whenever you feel that the screen is black, please exit and rejoin. That is just because your networks are not that good there. Okay, I have one more question.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Mama, if I tap the answer C, my answer is going as D. If I am tapping the answer D, my answer is going as A.
That means there is some problem in your system. Okay, go for this one.
Can you wait 1 minute, ma'am?
Okay, starting the poll, go for this one. 0.512 plus 0.729. You have to calculate the cube. You have to calculate the cube. Quickly, dear. Only 4 correct answer. Palak, Prajwal, Prisha, and Bhargav. Very good, dear. Okay, let's see.
Ma'am, because of my network issue, it happened. My answer was D.
Okay, and Tejas, what happened here?
Ma'am, I misclicked, but I sent my answer in the chat.
Okay.
I accidentally pressed A 0.13.
Okay, beta. Okay. Yes, Tejas, your answer is correct. Okay, see. We have to calculate the cube of this particular number. Then cube of this particular number. And then I have to add them. 0.512. Right? So 0.512, when I remove this point, I will get 3 zeros at the denominator. Now just calculate the cube root of this. Calculate the cube root of this. 512 and 1000. So 512 is, I know, 8 and 1000 is 10. This we don't have to calculate because we have learned the cube still 10. So 512 ka cube is 8, 1000 ka cube is 10. So 8 upon 10 is what? 0.8. Because I have 1 0 in the denominator, I shall put point before one digit. So 8 ke pehle point, 0.8. Then I have what? 0.729. Remove the decimal. You will get 3 zeros in the denominator. 729 is what? 729 is the cube of 9. And upon me 10, because 1000 is the cube of 10. Now 9 by 10 becomes what? 9 by 10 becomes 0.9. Because in the denominator I have 10, that is 1 0. You will put point before one digit. So 9 ke pehle point, 0.9. Now in the question, I have to add both of them. So I will add 0.8
17.
plus 0.9. So it's 17. I will put point before one digit because point is there in the addition. So 1.7 will be my answer. That is option D. 1.7 is my answer. That is option. Any doubts? Do raise your hand, beta.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, waiting for 30 seconds. Please either note this down or quickly take the screenshot. Waiting for 30 seconds. Ten seconds to go.
Then, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, well, one information here. Before moving to the next question, one information is there that you were using Shiromani app, right? You were using Shiromani Institute app. Now that app has been changed to Sainik School Coaching app. Can you see this symbol? It is the same app. It is the same app. Can you see this symbol? Sainik School Coaching app.
No, ma'am.
No.
It's coming blur.
Why is it coming black? Aram se, I can see in the screen. This one.
Ma'am,
because
it is
what happened? Tell me one by one. Palak, there is always network issue from your side, beta. Please do raise your hand before turning on your mic. And Utkarsh, you as well, beta. Yes, Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, I can't see the photo. It's coming blur because of the screen.
Those who cannot see the photo, see the board. Sainik School Coaching. Okay. Earlier, you were using the app Shiromani app. Same app automatically. It is installed in your phone. Shiromani app is installed in your phone. Now that app has only the name has been changed to Sainik School Coaching. Okay. Only the name has been changed to Sainik School Coaching. So always to remember that. Don't get confused that, ma'am, I was using Shiromani app. Now in my phone it is Sainik School Coaching. Yes, very good, Yashashwini. Very smart. Very smart. You can also check, everyone. Very smart, Yashashwini. And the Shiromani app, it has been changed to what? It has been changed to Sainik School Coaching app. Yes, inside everything is same. Inside everything is same as it was, like as we were getting the assignment, the test, timetable, everything is same. Nothing has changed. Only the name of the app has changed. Like earlier it was Shiromani, now it is Sainik. Yes, Sajesh.
Ma'am, I checked, but it did not change.
Okay, if you will update, it will change. Okay, if you will update your phone, it will change for sure. If you
Ma'am, we have to update in Google Play Store.
turn off your mic, everyone. Turn off your mic, everyone. Yes. If it is still showing Shiromani Institute in app in your phone, well and good. Well and good. You know about Shiromani Institute. But if that app name is changed in your phone and now if it is showing Sainik School Coaching, don't get confused. Only the name has been changed. Nothing else has been changed. Nothing has been changed. Only the name has been changed. Everything is same. When you will open the app, inside everything is same. Only the name has been changed to Sainik School Coaching. Yes, Utkarsh, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, do we have to install the Sainik School app? Sainik School Coaching.
Please, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. Turn off your mic, Utkarsh. If you have Shiromani Institute app in your phone, You need not install Sainik School Coaching app because it is same. Now, if you will search in the Play Store Shiromani, it will be shown as Sainik School Coaching, not Shiromani. It will be written Sainik School Coaching. In my phone, the name of the app has automatically changed. It was Shiromani app. Okay, it was Shiromani app. Automatically, when my phone got updated, it changed to Sainik School Coaching. So the information is just so that if by any chance Shiromani Institute in your phone, you see, Arey, I have installed Shiromani, why it is coming Sainik School Coaching? Don't get confused. Shiromani and Sainik School Coaching, both are same. Both are same. Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am, when I searched in Google Play Store, it was showing another symbol, ma'am.
It is Sainik School Coaching beta, black in color. Okay, in tomorrow's
Yeah, ma'am.
next class, I would try that I shall make the photo on the PPT. It's white and black in color. Just give me 1 second.
Ma'am, do we have any homework?
Yes, homework also, and I have to teach you also. See, Sainik School Coaching, when you search now, so it is in black, white and black color. This one, third one, white and black color. I will try to show you in the next class on the board itself, digital board. Okay. Don't get confused. Don't get confused, anyone. Tomorrow, whenever is the next class, in the next class, I will try that I show you the photo on the digital board. But this was just an information that if you see Sainik School Coaching app in your phone, don't get confused. Okay. Don't get confused. Tomorrow, I shall show you the symbol as well. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it showed, ma'am, in down it was a house symbol and in top it was like a fire symbol.
Ajish, I told you that tomorrow in the next class I shall show you, right? Let us move forward with the another question. Here you go. Answer me
Ma'am,
this
is
one.
the first one square root?
No, everything is cube. This is also cube. Here you go. Answer this one. Ajish, Nandini, Tejas, and Prajwal. Only 4 correct. Okay, let's see, dear. Let's check.
Ma'am, because of my network issue, it is again.
Okay, Utkarsh, turn off your mic, beta. When I remove the point, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Because 6 digits after the point, you will make pair of 3, right? So this is the cube of 100. This is the cube of 100. 10 ka cube was 1000, then again 3 zeros 1000. So cube of 100. And 343, I know it is cube of what? 7. I have learned it. This is 0.000125. Remove the point, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. This is cube of 100. Because 1000 is the cube of 10. 1000 is the cube of 10. And this 3 again cube of 10. So 10 into 10, 100. 125, I have learned it is the cube of what? 5. We have learned in the starting class. Now, 7 upon 100 is 0.07. Because 2 digits, I shall put point before 2 digits. So 7 ke pehle 0 and then point. 5 upon 100, 0.05. Two zeros, that means 2 digit ke pehle you have to put the decimal. 5 ke pehle 0 and then point. Now in the question it says you have to what? Subtract. That is 0.07 and 0.05. So 7 minus 5, 2. And before that we have 0 and 0. So 0 and 0, 2. Option A is the correct one. Option A is the correct one. 0.07 minus 0.05. You get 0. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I got confused with 0.2 and 0.02, ma'am. So
No,
I
beta.
got the answer wrong.
Two digits after the decimal, beta. So in the answer, you have to see 2 digits after the decimal. Okay, Yashashwini?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Please note this down. Take the screenshot. And that's it for today, everyone. That's it for today.
Ma'am, can you see the chat box?
Ma'am updated. Okay, beta. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.